Many friends ask me how often it is better to change the filter of the UV printer. Today I will answer this question for you. There is a filter element in the filter, which will slowly age after a long time of use, and then the filtering function will also degrade. In the same way, the print heads are prone to oblique spraying, broken ink or broken needle, so I suggest change the filter regularly every 3 months. Before replacing the filter, prepare the following items: small depth filter, butterfly filter, syringe, dust-free cloth, ink tube with filter, and KingT special cleaning fluid. Now I start to show you how to replace the filter. Use a syringe to draw the cleaning solution, about 20 to 30 milliliters, then rinse the front and back of the new filter you need to replace. Now we start changing the filter. First turn off the ink cartridge switch and then remove the original filter. Remove the new filter you need to replace. The side with words is up. There is also a depth filter behind the same machine, probably in this position. Now I will show you how to do it. First, take it out of here and wrap it with a lint-free cloth to keep the ink from dripping. Put the same plug here. Have the filter ready to be replaced ahead of time. The mouth of this one is upwards because it is installed in the opposite direction. After the installation is complete, screw it here and plug it. Notice the arrow, which is pointing down. Be sure to pay attention to the direction. Then this is the replacement. Then start to open the switch of the ink cartridge to process the ink discharge. Open the plug and start to press the ink until the ink flows out smoothly. Pinch, plug, and tighten to print test.